For today's shave, we're doing an unboxing and first time using a new razor. So let's give this a go. Good afternoon, West Shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome to the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. Lately, I've been trying to get familiar with Shavettes. I've done and posted several videos lately using stuff like the Wilkinson Sword straight edge razor, the Parker PTW. I haven't recorded it, but I just bought this recently and use it. The Parker SRX. Got this from a friend of mine, Dovo. I've used this off camera in a shave recently. This one here I bought from Sally Beauty. It's kind of like a feather style artist club. So this video was kind of inspired by my buddy Red Island Shaver, Justin McIntyre, who after he saw my first Wilkinson Sword shave where I cut my face at least 5-6 times, I'll post the links here. He did a video explaining how to get better use out of a Shavette and using one of his favorites. So inspired me to go buy one. So we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna unbox this and then we're gonna talk about it. No booze in this video because I've got a couple of appointments or errands to run after I'm done recording. So I'll be drinking later tonight, having a cigar later today, but not in this video because I've got to go run some errands. So let's go downstairs and check out what this is all about. So this showed up in the mail the other day from Fendrihan. I ordered it a few days ago. It came, I believe, via, it was either FedEx or UPS. So very excited to give it a try. So. And just our packing slip. I'll put that aside. So this is from Italy, the Focus Slim AL. So let's give this a pop open. Okay, they didn't send blades with it. Got a sticker here. Okay, so it just looks like you put your blade in there, you lock it down. It's extremely light. I will weigh it after. The one nice thing that guys like about this thing is that your end corners are rounded, so you won't bite into your cheek like I've done before. So it's available in a variety of colors. I got this one from Fendrihan in Canada. So we're gonna load this with a blade and we're gonna get our shave started. Hey guys, so we got our Slim loaded with a derby, and that is this one here. I think I'm gonna use this in my first Wilkinson Sword video, I don't remember exactly. And I did weigh this, it's 0.8 ounces or 25 grams. I'll adjust my exposure here. And just turn that down a bit. So, got our lather made up. I'm in a bit of a rush because I'm running out of time before my appointment this afternoon. But today we are using Highland Springs Soap Company Reflections. Scent notes listed. We did a group buy recently, and one of the guys, Bruce, got this set. And so after the group buy that I got the Forge in. And when I smelled this, I knew immediately I had to have it. This is their tallow formula. So we're going to be, of course, Magic Splash. So going to quickly wet the face, get our lather going. First pass, real time. Subsequent passes, multi-speed probably. Hopefully find some non-licensed rock or metal that won't get me in trouble with the copyright police. Oh, and our PAA Peregrino, I believe it's a 24mm synthetic. Links down below in the description for all of the products we're using today. Of course, we're going with our Thirsty Badger lather bowl. So Justin McIntyre, Red Island Shaver, loves this razor. About $71 and change Canadian. I believe it might qualify for free shipping with Fendrihan, I believe. But he did a tutorial on how to use Shavettes. Like I said, this thing is very, very light. Not really sure how that blade stays locked in there, but I'm gonna give this a go. A little bit of skin stretching, very slow, very shallow. And yeah, so we'll give this a try. About a week's worth of growth to go through. Really liking this. Now, something that he says to do is not to lift the Shavette off your face, because that's when it's going to bite into you. So, practicing doing that. And of course, I will post a link to that video. And if you haven't already, please take a chance or take the time to subscribe to Justin's channel. The guy is just phenomenal, has dealt with a lot of adversity in the last few years, and came out just shining. So, yeah, and you can see the amount of blade exposure sticking out. Like I said, you've got little browns here, so that the corner of your blade isn't sticking out. That's the part that's going to bite you that I've had come into my cheek before. So again, put it flush, flat against, and then just lean it back a little bit till you feel it start to shave. Follow the contours of your face. It's got a very nice feel. Like I said, it is super light. And like I said, a little bit boxy, but I like the way it feels. Now, I'm not sure where else these are available, because I found them on Fendrihan in Canada. Wow. I can almost go with that. Except for a little bit of cleanup. The shape around my goatee, I could practically go with that. But we're going to do another lather, do a second and probably a third pass. Like I said, I'm a bit rushed for time because I scheduled this badly. But damn, that's sweet. So like, just trying to find some license-free tunage, crank it up, multi-speed it, get our subsequent passes going. Oh, by the way, like I said, I will list the scent notes. I love Highland Springs, Chris and Mary Troniak from Cranbrook, BC. Amazing artisans. They sell several products, hygiene products, not just shave. But they also sell like soaps and lip balms and that sort of stuff. As well as they carry some accessories, like I believe some Parker accessories. Definitely check them out. Oh, and I'd like to also give a shout out to them insofar as when I put in this order, the handwritten card. So nice personalized touch, love that. So my next pass, again, not so much with and across and against, but just kind of going with what feels right with a Shavette. Multi-speed it. So that is going to wrap that up, and still a little bit here. Well, it's a little bit harder for me to get to. Again, I'm pressed for time. Cheeks, rest of my neck. BBS. Slickness on this soap is just unbelievable. Love it. Scent, love it. So, got a lot of hair in the bowl in the sink. We're going to give that a wash out. We're going to rinse this off and then do our post follow-up soap. We'll be right back. Thanks. Hey guys, so we're back. Not particularly straight. A bit of a weeper there, but no big deal. Most of that is BBS. Next sit down in here is, I could do another pass, but like I said, I frankly don't have the time. So, slick my hair back, get it out of my face. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take our Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements alum, run it under the water. Bit of burn. But again, we're on a daily shaver. Frankly, it's not something that I'm surprised by. Maybe if I shaved more often. But overall, except for racing through that, I'm very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. So, I'm going to rinse this off and we're going to talk about our other products here. So, we're going to go with the Highland Springs Matching Aftershave. Again, this is Reflections. This is aloe vera and witch hazel. That's not an alcohol base. Really, really nice scent on this. Oh, love it. Very, very nice. So, again, because I'm pressed for time, what we used today was Highland Springs Reflection reflections. Sorry, this is our tallow base. Matching aftershave, aloe vera, and witch hazel. Peregrino from Phoenix Shaving. Love this. I've got 6 of his brushes. He just came out with a 7th. I got to order that. And of course, we went with our Thirsty Badger lather bowl. Gets used in almost every shave. And what did we discuss in this particular shave? The Focus Slim. I ordered this from Fendrihan. I loaded it with a derby. It said 0.8 ounces, 25 grams. It's just you flick this back and it flips down. You can load your blade in there. What do I think of it? I like it. It's probably one of the safest shavettes I've tried so far. Like I said, where your blade, your corners are protected. Like I said, just the way it's designed, that it's rounded, so you don't have to worry about that biting in your cheek. I'm able to get in a little bit better in here, the curve, and not worry about that corner being a little bit closer. The lightweight, it looks odd. It's actually not uncomfortable to hold. No narrowing. And I guess if I'm going to give it a negative, the one thing I will say about this, like I said, it's for $71 Canadian. So what's that? Probably 55, 60 USD. I think you could throw in some blades. Not a real big deal. Not a deal breaker by any stretch. But again, you know, as far as I can tell, if it was shavettes, at that price range, you're pretty up there for premium. For a safety razor, that's pretty middle of the road, not super low end, not super high end, kind of lower middle. But for a shavette, oh yeah, and for straights, $71 doesn't even do really much. But for a shavette, you're becoming kind of in the premium price range for a shavette. Could have included some blades, so. But overall, liking this. With that derby blade, took a couple weeks worth of growth. Minor irritation. Really happy with it. So, anyway, this is going to wrap this one up. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. Let me know. Leave your comments down below. Tell your friends. Become a subscriber. The notifications button. Yeah, and we're going to try and post every couple weeks. I'm going to start to slow down a little bit more now that summer's coming and we've got a camper trailer. I want to spend some time out there. But, yeah, I'm going to close this one off. I got to go run some errands. So you guys stay safe, stay healthy, take care of one another. We'll see you again in a few days. Bye-bye. I'm better off, better off, better off. You can't save me.